Yo! Uptown Swing, level 1.
Maddie, Peter.
Charleston time. This is our first class. You guys did great. Here's the basic footwork. It goes like this. Leader start left.
Follower start right.
We went 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock, step, kick, and kick, step. Rock, step, kick, and kick, step. Do that a million times at home. We'll show it this way from the side so you can see it. 5, 6, 7, 8. Rock, step, kick, and kick, step. Rock, step, kick, and kick, step. Nose over your toes. When we connect up, when we show you how it looks, it is rock, step, kick, and kick, step. Rock, step, kick, and kick, step. So we also did kick steps sort of moving around. Rock, step, kick, step. When we're moving, we got to use the next leg. We're twisting and moving, just moving around. Not a lot of place to go here, but you get the idea. Then we also did our big kicks. Rock, step, woo! Rock, step, woo! We turn into each other.
Followers, make sure you really go into your leader with that kick. Don't be afraid of that. We need to use each other to keep our balance.
Then we put together a little pattern. It goes like this. Basic number 1, ha, ha. Basic number 2, ha, ha. Skip up, ha, ha. Woo! Turn, rock, step, woo! Back to the basics. And that's it. Pew!